Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm having a motherboard, the LGA 775 that I'm trying to repair. This one here is almost faulty. The problem is it doesn't show image at all on the it doesn't give me any signal. I'm going to give you a closer look how the motherboard looks like on the I/O. As you can see, we have the VGA, RG45, 4 USBs and 5.1 audio. I believe this motherboard is made by Acer, if I'm not mistaken. You need to search this number on the Google and you'll able to see exactly what this motherboard is. The problem is this motherboard had two bulgy capacitors here. I'm going to show you how they will look like. These ones here. These ones here are 16 volts and 470 microfarads, as you can see. And they were faulty. And I believe the problem with this motherboard was because of these capacitors. I'm not sure, but I'm going to check that. I'm going to make a test, of course. So this is the second one, 16 volts, 470 microfarads. It's the same anyway, and they were installed here in this area. I removed from the another motherboard. It has the same specs. He has the 6.3 volts, 470 microfarads, just like this one that they were bulgy. And using the hot iron, I just remove it from here, as you can see. I straighten them off the feet because they were bent, and I managed to put it right here. And when you're actually doing this, be careful not to destroy the traces, because these are very important. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to install the second one, the second capacitor that I have here, and I'm going to keep you updated with the results that I'm getting. You see, it's the same, 16 volts, 470 microfarads. Another tip that I want to give you is if the motherboard doesn't post, I recommend using this. This is the something with the isopropylic alcohol combined with the some ingredients. I'm not sure exactly because it doesn't says. All you have to do is just pulverize here some of the liquid that it has inside, and after that you're going to want to use a brush and clean the area right here. Because this I/O is actually responsible for the sometimes it has to be cleaned, and is responsible for the parts around here in this area. And this if this one is not working properly, it's going to give you a lot of problems. Okay, and after that, if the motherboard, after I'm changing the capacitors and the cleaning of the I/O, super I/O, and the replacing of the capacitors, you will also be needing to replace. There is another capacitor here on the board. I'm going to show you where it's located. First I gotta find it, and this one is right here in the middle. Pardon? This one here. If this one is also faulty, it's not going to give you the image signal, on the monitor, you know. So you're gonna have to change this one too from another motherboard that I have for the spare parts. In my case, I used the motherboard that I was trying to fix, and I removed from here the two capacitors, 6.3 volts, 470 microfarads from here. As you can see, these two holes that I having. Anyway, I don't think this motherboard. I think it's total waste, and I don't think I'm able to repair it. Anyway, this is the one that I was there was smushed from the case. I do have a video for this motherboard, and yeah. Anyway, I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue installing the second capacitor that I have right here in this area, and after that I'm going to make another video and show you the result. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.